This video demonstrates how DrDroid investigated an issue in a custom data pipeline. The setup only required adding existing integrations and a single high-level document. With this, DrDroid was able to autonomously investigate the issue. In this scenario, we are looking at an add pipeline where a scheduled job updates a delta table from a document data store. From there, an asynchronous job moves that data into OpenSearch, which is finally queried via an API. These jobs are orchestrated via AWS Glue, but could also have been done via Databricks or any other engine. The investigation was triggered when it was reported that an approved add was not visible in the application. To find the answer, the agent initiated a multi-step hypothesis-elimination process. It performed a total of 98 individual tool calls across the entire stack: the job logs, the data stores, delta tables, OpenSearch index, and the service. After going through the steps, the agent discovered that the job responsible for the add generation had the status pending review incorrectly mapped in the code. Even though the jobs ran correctly, the incorrect data caused the job to not be visible. To achieve this level of diagnostic depth, only two primary elements were required. First, the relevant integrations were added: the document database, the remote server, the OpenSearch instance, the Databricks instance, and the AWS environment. Second, the agent was provided with a single document, one high-level overview describing the pipeline's operational flow. This documentation explained the setup as a starting point for the agent. From there, it systematically reviewed each step of the pipeline, identified the functional bottleneck, and built an initial hypothesis to test. When the first hypothesis was eliminated, the agent logically moved to build another hypothesis based on the results. By performing a deep dive into each component, it confirmed which parts were working and which were contributing to the failure. The agent continued building and refining its mental model of the failure until it finally located the root cause. Once it found the logic error, it could confirm that while the data ingestion and storage steps were functioning correctly, the hard-coded status in the transformation layer was the issue. Correcting this status logic directly resolves the issue of the add not being visible to the user. I believe this example demonstrates how DrDroid can empower everyone in your team to debug like your best engineers.